Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to have a personal assistant that never sleeps, a research partner with access to all human knowledge, and a coach that adapts to your exact needs? Well, congratulations, because you already own this technology. Your smartphone contains more processing power than NASA used to land on the moon. Yet most of us use it to scroll through cat videos. Today, I'm going to show you 10 simple ways to transform yourself into an augmented human, where artificial intelligence becomes your secret weapon for productivity, learning, and personal growth. Before we dive into these life-changing strategies, let me paint you a picture of what's possible. Imagine waking up tomorrow with the ability to learn new skills 3 times faster, make better decisions backed by data, and automate the mundane tasks that steal your precious time. This isn't science fiction anymore. These tools exist right now, sitting unused on your devices while you struggle with the same old problems. The first upgrade to your human operating system involves revolutionizing how you learn. Traditional education taught us to memorize information. But in the age of artificial intelligence, the real skill is knowing how to extract and apply knowledge efficiently. Start using AI language models as your personal tutors. Instead of spending hours researching a topic, craft specific prompts that get you exactly what you need to know. For example, rather than asking a generic question like, "How do I start investing?" try something more targeted like, "Create a beginner investment plan for someone with $2,000, aged 30, with moderate risk tolerance, focusing on index funds and explaining each step." The specificity transforms your AI assistant from a search engine into a personalized advisor. This approach works for any subject, from cooking techniques to coding languages to relationship advice. The second transformation involves upgrading your decision-making process. Our brains evolved to make quick survival decisions, not complex modern choices with dozens of variables. AI excels at processing multiple factors simultaneously. Create decision matrices using AI tools for important choices in your life. Whether you're choosing a career path, picking a place to live, or deciding on a major purchase, feed the relevant factors into an AI system and let it help you weigh the options objectively. Start small with this technique. Use it for choosing what to watch on Netflix or which restaurant to try. As you build confidence in the process, apply it to bigger decisions. The key is teaching the AI about your values and preferences so its recommendations align with what actually matters to you. Third, automate your routine cognitive tasks to free up mental bandwidth for creative and strategic thinking. Your brain has limited processing power, and every small decision depletes it slightly. Use AI to handle repetitive mental work, like drafting emails, creating schedules, summarizing articles, or generating shopping lists based on your meal plans. Set up templates and workflows that handle these tasks automatically. When you receive certain types of emails, have AI draft responses for your review. Use voice-to-text features with AI enhancement to capture thoughts quickly while walking or commuting. The goal isn't to become lazy, but to redirect your mental energy toward high-value activities that actually require human creativity and emotional intelligence. Fourth, create an AI-powered learning ecosystem that adapts to your schedule and learning style. Traditional courses follow rigid timelines, but you can design a personalized curriculum that fits your life. Use AI to break down complex subjects into bite-sized lessons that match your available time slots. If you only have 10 minutes during lunch breaks, AI can create focused micro-lessons that build on each other over time. Combine this with spaced repetition systems that use AI algorithms to surface information just before you're likely to forget it. This approach, based on cognitive science research, can increase your retention rates dramatically while reducing study time. The AI tracks what you've learned and when you learned it, then presents review material at optimal intervals. Fifth, upgrade your health and fitness routines with intelligent tracking and feedback systems. Instead of following generic workout plans or diet advice, Use AI to analyze your personal patterns and responses. Many fitness apps now incorporate AI coaches that adjust your routines based on your progress, recovery rates, and stated goals. But take this beyond basic fitness tracking. Use AI to identify patterns in your energy levels, mood, and productivity based on factors like sleep quality, nutrition, exercise timing, and work stress. This data-driven approach helps you optimize your daily routines for peak performance, rather than relying on guesswork or one-size-fits-all advice. The sixth augmentation involves transforming how you consume and process information. Instead of passively scrolling through social media or news feeds, use AI to curate and summarize content that actually serves your goals. Set up AI systems that monitor specific topics relevant to your career or interests, then deliver concise summaries that keep you informed without drowning you in information overload. Create reading lists that AI prioritizes based on your current projects and learning objectives. Use AI-powered tools to extract key insights from long articles, research papers, or books. Then organize these insights into searchable personal knowledge bases. This approach transforms random information consumption into strategic knowledge building. Seventh, enhance your creative processes with AI collaboration. Many people worry that AI will replace human creativity, but the real opportunity lies in human-AI creative partnerships. Use AI as a brainstorming partner that generates initial ideas you can build upon, refine, and humanize. Whether you're writing, designing, problem-solving, or planning projects, start with AI-generated frameworks or first drafts, then apply your human judgment, emotion, and experience to create something uniquely valuable. This collaborative approach often produces better results than purely human or purely AI efforts, while significantly reducing the time and mental energy required. Eighth, develop AI-assisted social and professional networking strategies. Use AI to help you craft more engaging social media content, write better networking emails, and identify potential collaboration opportunities within your existing network. AI can analyze communication patterns to suggest optimal timing for important conversations, or help you prepare talking points for networking events. But remember that authentic relationship building still requires genuine human connection. Use AI to handle the logistics and preparation, but focus your personal energy on creating meaningful interactions and providing real value to others. Ninth, implement intelligent financial management systems that go beyond basic budgeting. Use AI tools to analyze your spending patterns, predict future expenses, and identify optimization opportunities you might miss manually. Some AI financial advisors can help you adjust investment strategies based on market conditions and your personal circumstances. Set up automated systems that handle routine financial tasks like bill payments, savings transfers, and investment rebalancing. This automation reduces decision fatigue while ensuring you stay on track with financial goals, even during busy periods. The 10th and most important upgrade is developing AI literacy as a meta skill that amplifies all other improvements. Understanding how different AI systems work, their strengths and limitations, and how to communicate effectively with them becomes increasingly valuable as these tools evolve. Spend time experimenting with different AI platforms and learning how to craft better prompts that generate more useful outputs. Think of this as learning a new language that unlocks incredible capabilities. The better you become at human-AI collaboration, the more powerful each of the previous 9 strategies becomes. The key to successfully implementing these augmentations is starting small and building gradually. Choose 1 or 2 areas that resonate most with your current challenges or goals. Experiment with the basic concepts before moving to more advanced applications. Remember that the goal isn't to become dependent on technology, but to free up your human capabilities for higher-level thinking and genuine creativity. As you integrate these AI-assisted habits into your daily routine, you'll notice something remarkable happening. Tasks that once took hours now take minutes. Decisions that used to stress you become more confident and data-driven. Learning accelerates as you tap into personalized, adaptive educational experiences. You're not becoming less human by working with AI. You're becoming more capable of focusing on the uniquely human aspects of life that technology can't replicate. The future belongs to people who learn to dance with artificial intelligence, rather than compete against it or ignore it completely. These 10 strategies give you a practical starting point for that dance. Your augmented human journey begins with your next decision to embrace these tools and start upgrading your capabilities today. The question isn't whether AI will change how we work and live. The question is whether you'll be ready to harness these changes for your benefit or let them pass you by while others gain the advantage.